Happiness is a state of mind. For the next 60 seconds, take a moment to shift your energy. Wherever you are, give yourself permission to pause, take a deep breath, and blow it out slowly. Open yourself to receive the following positive thoughts. In this moment, you realize you have the power to invite happiness into your life. And happiness flows through you in a constant stream. There are so many amazing things to experience and enjoy in your life. And you are not restricted by any feeling of sadness, past, present, or future. You are at peace and can create the happiness you desire.